Here's a 2025 Land Rover Range Rover. The rugged capability of an off-road SUV and the refinement of a luxury car are blended perfectly in this Range Rover. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Twin-turbo V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, front and rear camera parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power reclining heated ventilated rear seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Land Rover, versatility and capability on every adventure. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.